To check your transaction history on Zelle, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the banking app on your smartphone that is linked to your Zelle account. Ensure you are logged in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle. Look for the Zelle option within your banking app. This is usually found in the main menu or under a section labeled Payments or Transfers. Step 3. Access transaction history. Once you are in the Zelle section, find the option for transaction history or activity. This will display a list of your recent transactions made through Zelle. Step 4. Review transactions. Scroll through the list to review your transactions. You can see details such as the date, amount, and recipient for each transaction. Step 5. Filter or search. If you need to find a specific transaction, use any available filter or search options. You can typically filter by date range or search by recipient name. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Zelle. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your finances and ensure everything is in order.